Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the calculator buttons are blank and white in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, go with settings. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings itself. Once you are here at the settings, proceed to apps next to personalization, click on it. And here you need to go with installed apps where you can uninstall and manage your applications in your PC or computer. Here you need to look for your calculator application. Okay, just have to wait until this loading will be done. Okay. So here, you need to scroll down and look for a calculator. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that since you're facing an error and since you have installed that in your Windows or computer. So let's say, for example, this is the calculator application. Just have to click the three dots there, go with advanced options. Again, just follow the steps. It is not the actual calculator application since I don't have it installed in my computer. But in your case, you have to select the real calculator application in your case. Okay? Here you need to scroll down and go with terminate. So immediately terminate this app and its related processes. And once you have terminated it, check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be at the start icon, do a right click and go with your task manager. The moment this window would appear, proceed directly to processes. And here you need to look for runtime broker. Again, look for runtime broker. Okay. If you are having a hard time on finding such, use the search bar and type for runtime. Okay, and the moment you have searched for it, you'd be able to see such. In my case, it is running under the background processes. So just have to do a right click and go with end task. The moment you have ended it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our third method. Our third method would be at the bottom search bar. This time you need to type for CMD and wait until a best match, which is a system called command prompt would appear. Here you need to go and run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Where here you need to type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Again, type for SFC space forward slash scan now and click on enter the moment you have typed it. So this will do system scanning and this process will take some time, 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine. Just have to leave this command prompt window open and complete the procedure. And once you're done, just have to close the window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our fourth step. Our fourth step would be at the bottom search bar again. This time you need to type for PowerShell. Again, the moment you have typed it, wait until a best match which says Windows PowerShell would appear. And here you need to go and run as administrator. A user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running this Windows PowerShell as administrator. So here you need to type a command which is this. So just have to copy it and copy it the description box below. So paste it here, do a right click there, go with edit and paste and click on enter the moment you have pasted it. So it will take some time, 2 minutes or less than that. It will depend on your machine again. You just have to complete the process. Don't close this window. Once you're done, close this window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So let's bound to our last method. Our last method would be at the start icon again, do a right click and go with settings. Okay. So this time at the settings, proceed directly to personalization, click on it, and look for an option where you can enable the dark mode of your windows. Okay. So here, you just have to scroll down and look for color. Click on it. And under the color, you just have to wait until it will be opened, and aligning to that, choose your mode. Aligning to that, you would be able to see an option called light. Click this down arrow and proceed with dark. And once you have set the dark mode in your Windows or computer, try to check if your problem has been fixed. So try to open your calculator and check if it's being fixed, okay? So that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.